Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a photo collage on your iPhone. No need to add a third-party apps and provide full guide. So simply open your shortcut apps. Just open this. Click on to gallery option. And you get search option. Search here to photo grid. You get this option. Press on to plus option. Now successfully add this photo grid in my library. Open. Successfully add photo grid. Press on to select photo. Like I'm select for image. Press on right mark. Now successfully create this and press on this arrow option and you get save to file or save to photo. Like I'm select save to photo. Close this. Now successfully save in my gallery. Press on to open this. That's it.